Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Southern with Charm. I'm Christy. Today's video is going to be organizing my pantry. I don't know if you can see behind me, but it is in pretty bad shape. I think that's just part of my busy life as a single mom. Everything is just kind of thrown in the pantry, and it's honestly been driving me crazy, so I can't wait to get it organized. I was at Aldi the other day and ran across some pantry organizing cubes. They were only $4.99 a piece. I was pretty excited about that. So I picked up a ton of them, and I'm going to get this pantry organized and I'm going to share it with you, and I really hope that it gives you some organizing tips and really hope that you enjoy this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and I would love for you to leave your comments down below and for you to subscribe. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. Okay, so I've got the pantry organized, and I wanted to show you what it looks like now that everything is done. I have this shoe rack over the pantry door that is holding everything that is pre-packaged. There was also a couple of things that I couldn't fit in the containers that I've put in here. Trying to get all these things organized so I can just quickly reach in and grab them when I'm making my daughter's lunches. Then the bottom shelf, I found a bunch of stuff that had expired, so I pulled it out. So I've got my canned goods and some extra things, salad dressing, syrup, stuff like that. On the second shelf, I've got these pretzels, cookies, nuts, some boxed items that I didn't have room to unbox. Sorry, I know it's kind of dark, but that's all of my noodles for spaghetti. And I got these stackable baskets at Dollar General. I want to say they were $2 for a pack of 2. And I've got my daughter's snacks that I've pre-bagged and some chips that I've pre-bagged for her lunch. Then up top, more chips, some crackers, rice and pasta, more crackers, and a few other items that were in boxes that I'm just going to leave in the boxes. So overall, I think it looks so much better, so much more organized. It's going to be a whole lot easier to find things and to keep everything nice and neat. I also wanted to share with you how much trash I have. I found some things that were expired, which are those cans over there, and then this is all of the trash from taking everything out and putting it into the containers, which I'm going to recycle.